In this chapter, we will discuss smart actions. In Github Copilot in VS Code, smart actions are a set of predefined actions we can use. The most common use cases are debugging and documentation. So in our chapter 4 begin, we have an index.html file and a function.js. So as you can see, the function is a bit difficult to understand, and it also lacks documentation or a bit of a description of what the function does. So for this, we can do a smart action. So if we open our editor inline chat, we can just type /doc and then hit enter again. And as you can see in the pre-fill, this adds documentation comments. So when we hit enter, we will see that it gives us a proper documentation. So now we actually know what this function does. It processes an array of numbers by filtering and summing them. We have a parameter numbers, and we have a return the sum of numbers greater than 5. So the second one would be the explain smart action. So again, if I were to do editor inline chat or ctrl-ni, explain, provided code, and then it will explain to me what it does. Provided code defines a function that processes an array of numbers, blah, blah, blah. So there are 3 nested functions, etc., etc. All right, so it explains me like in detail what this function does. Like this is great for if you're inheriting a code base or something, or you have to work in someone else's files and they lack documentation. Well, this can explain exactly to me what this function does. A third smart action would be fix. So the current code, if we were to, start our server and watch it, we would get console errors. What we can do is, again, use a smart action /fix. And as you can see, the actual query or prompt would be propose a fix to the problems in the selected code. So I have to just hit enter. And then he was to tell me so then he would explain to me like the issue is that the function is not defined and there is a syntax error in the z functions for loop. To fix this, replace yada, yada, yada. Okay, so I'm gonna do accept. So, all right, this is my first set of debugging. Now, our function maybe, have a documentation, but it's still difficult to read, function